Today we'll be going over the 4-bar velocity problem. First thing you're going to want to do is start a new model. Name that model 4-bar. You want to set gravity to no gravity. Make sure your units are in millimeters and create model. Next, you're going to want to go up to the settings, go to your working grid, change the size, the spacing of your working grid to 10 millimeters in both the X and the Y. Select OK. Then you're going to want to go back to your settings, go to units, and change your angle to radians. Select OK. If you hit F4, a little coordinate grid will pop up. This will tell you all the coordinates of where your mouse is at. We're going to want to do construction geometry markers. Click on those. You're going to need 4 markers, one at 0, 0, one at negative 60, 80, one at 180, 0, and one at 180 and 180. Next, you're going to want to create the links. So from the solid bodies, you're going to want to click rigid body link. And you're just going to click on the points and draw them out, going from marker to marker. Next, in connectors, you're going to want to do a revolute joint right here. You're going to want to make a revolute joint at each of the markers. At these bottom two, you're going to want to do it from the part to the joint. These can be a little tricky to try and place in. It also helps if you zoom in more. There. You can see the names popping up. So that's how you know you're actually clicking on them. So for right here, I'm going to click ground, part 4, and that ground marker. This last one, part 3. Then hit part 2 somewhere. Part 4, ground marker. And there you have your revolute joints added in. Next, from the motions ribbon, you're going to click radial joint. right here where it says rotational speed, you're going to enter in 1 for 1 rad. Actually selected on the wrong joint. I want it to be on joint 1. Yep, it's on joint 1. It's going 1 rad per second. Now it's time to test the simulation. So from right here, we want to run an interactive simulation. We're setting the end time to 10 seconds. And the step size, 0.1. We click start. And there you can see it rotate. Now we can click plotting right here. It's very large. Plot our motion. By clicking down here, we're able to create our plots. So we go body, part 1. We want to do CM position along the X. Let's add the curve. We can do each of these parts here. We can also do the velocity along the X. We can add all the plots that we need for this 4-bar linkage. And that's how you do the 4-bar problem.